Hey there, everyone. We are heading into the last weekend of March. The ski snowboard season is coming to an end here in the near future. Now, at least with Tokyo Snow Club, if you're heading out there, this coming weekend's the last weekend to get out there. But if you head out to the mountains on your own across Japan, there are some areas still stay open until about mid-May, including Tenjin around Minakami. Some of the resorts off towards Hokkaido stay open pretty late as well. So you can still get out for some of those day trips, and I might still do some more snow updates as we head into April. But if you do want to come out this coming weekend, maybe to Tsugaike, there is still some positions open. Check out TokyoSnowClub.com. Still going to be a good time out there. Let's talk about a few things, though. With the warmer weather we have been seeing across some of these areas, especially central areas of Japan, there is a avalanche threat still existing out there. Something to keep in mind. The snow depth is melting, though, and it is continuing to reduce. For those of you maybe heading to Tsugaike this coming week, this is actually the snow depth out of Hakuba. Now, the pink line you see right here, that indicates the average. You have that blue line that is this year, and the light blue is last year. Look at that just dwindle off with the light blue. That last year, said in every update, was just sad. The blue line, though, it is continuing to melt. We're still right about average, though, out there. It might be a little slushy in the lower elevations, but there's still pretty decent snowpack. So plenty of snow still to have a good time with. And we've been seeing on and off snow in some of the higher elevations all week. For example, here on Friday, so on the Friday morning, we still have those northwesterly winds continue to kick in. Even across parts of Hokkaido, it's been snowing on and off all week. Actually, a photo here from one of the TSC guides, actually, up there in Hokkaido, talking about some of the roads being closed because of the heavy snowfall. Even here down towards the south, Shigakoken last weekend, plenty of snow out there on the mountains. Higher elevations, very powder-like. It's still very crystals out there. The lower elevations, you get a little more slush, but hey, at least the lower elevations got to hang out with the monkeys last week. All right, let's talk about the forecast, though, as we head through Friday, and also really into the afternoon. Those northwesterly winds still remain there, but by the time Saturday comes around, high pressure kicks in. I still think maybe some snow back towards Hokkaido. You still might see some northwesterly winds, but if you are down here towards the south, across parts of Nagano into Niigata, Hakuba included, it's going to be light winds, clear skies, these cloudy skies, overall decent, and it looks pretty decent out there. Temperatures will be warming up slightly, something to keep in mind. As we look ahead into Sunday as well, this high pressure does move a little bit towards the east. Now, it's this little red area down here towards the south. That's our low that's going to be coming in. It's actually going to bring widespread rain across Japan by the time we look ahead to the Monday. Sunday night, probably going to start pushing those showers and those warmer temperatures in across western areas. So it's a classic spring skiing day. But as far as spring skiing goes, it's pretty good. So those of you heading out to Tsugaike this coming weekend, let's talk about the forecast. Well, Friday, we have morning snow showers. That's going to be tapering off into the evening as that high pressure area moves in. Temperature is pretty chilly, minus 15 for the wind chill. Saturday, partly cloudy skies, but overall, probably a bluebird day, I think. Temperatures might get above freezing in the lower elevations, so something to keep in mind if you are out there. And then by Sunday, probably going to be looking at the increasing warmer temperatures throughout the day, and we're going to be looking at a rain-snow mix by evening. Many of you probably going to be off the mountain by that time that rolls around. Heavy snow on Friday for those of you in Kiroro. Well, I'm probably going to be just flying in, but that means AM flurry's going to taper off, and you're going to have a good snow base on Saturday. Fantastic news. A lot of good backcountry in Kiroro, so definitely going to be a good day for that. And on Sunday, possible flurries. Partly cloudy skies overall, though. I think temperature is going to be right around 0. High pressure is really not going to warm things up into Kiroro or Hokkaido until about Monday time frame. A little bit further towards the north, so about 24 hours behind what's going on further towards the south. All right, that's a quick look at what's going to be going on this coming weekend across Japan. I think I might do another update next week. I really do enjoy doing these winter weather updates. Take a little time, but I get to use my green screen here. In fact, this is kind of what the hot mess I have going on behind me looks like. I'm screaming at the microphone there. Bunch of stuff on the floor. Yeah, that's what my green screen in my office looks like when it's not pretty and on the screen the way it should be. Stay safe out there, guys.